Hello YouTube, welcome to the garage. As you can tell, the Toyota has made it to my shop. So what we're going to do right now is I want to do an inventory and kind of look the thing over. Some work has already been done to it. There's a bunch of parts in the trunk here. There's some parts in the passenger compartment. And I just, got the lift set, and I want to, take everything out of the trunk and get it, put it on the table over there and see what we got, pull everything out inside, look under the hood, pick the car up, just kind of give it a once over and get a kind of a vision for what we got to do here. And as far as, I already put the rotors on it that were in the boxes here, so we'll put that aside for later cleanup. Okay, what else we got in here? We got this bucket here. You want a workhorse for a stick welder? There it is right there. Ideal Arc 250. It's a 1981 model. Okay, we got some sway bars here. Tie rod ends. Ball joint. Another tie rod end. Inner tie rod end, another inner tie rod end, another ball joint. Okay, let's see what else we got. Yeah, we knew we had this because I had to put the other strut on just to get the car here. So we got two new struts for the front. What else is in here? There's some of the rotors. I'm sure this looks like the original. The struts have been already put on the back, and this is probably from the strut. Put that over there. Okay, got a lower control arm. Another lower control arm. Got a drive axle here. Okay, all kinds of goodies. This will be the passenger side drive axle. Okay, what else we got hiding in here? Razor blades. Okay, so I need to just cut myself one of those. Okay, old parts. Wonder who has the jack for that. That's definitely not car parts. Okay, don't think we need that. Let me guess, someone thinks those are jumper cables. Yeah. Okay, I think we got pretty much everything out of the trunk that I'd be interested in. Okay. No. Alright, let's see what else. They had taken the seat out. I think, yeah, you have to get, for the back struts, you have to get to these nuts here on those studs. What else is in here? Okay, I don't think it's, yeah, that might, yeah, that goes under the hood. Some more splash guards. Let's figure those out. Yeah, I'm not, the job for me is not putting the interior back together, at least not yet. I see that I think they put new speakers in the back. This car's be for a young gentleman going to college, so I guess you got to have that. Gotta have some good tunes in it. All right, what else is up here? Saw some other boxes in here. Okay. Aha. Yeah, I know they need those, but those are the wrong ones. These the ones for the front. You have to double check. See, they got some missing. Okay. The ones on the front don't have just this taper. The ones on the front are for these these aluminum alloy rims, and I don't believe these are the right ones. I think, you know, they got like a flat side here and it's just a straight in kind of thing. I'll double check and make sure these are right. It does need new lug nuts because the ones that are on it are so swollen. There's the kind with the steel, and then they got the soft metal coating on it, and they're all swollen up. So yeah, that definitely needs to be addressed. I want to make sure that those are right. What else we got in here? Some ceramic disc brake pads. Okay. Not a big fan of ceramic, especially on a passenger car. I like the semi-metallic, the ones just below the ceramic ones. Ceramic ones, yeah, I know they last a long time, but they chew the crap out of rotors, and you know, I don't think you get as good a pedal out of it. I don't think you get as good a stopping force. That's just my opinion. I think the pads are too hard. You don't get a good grip. You have to push on the pedal too hard, in my humble opinion. But my opinion is worth exactly what you're paying for it. Nothing. What do we got in here? I was wondering that I noticed the bellows for the one side for the steering was missing. There it is. We got the caliper hangers. Okay. Another caliper hanger. What else we got in here? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is the kind of lug nut that I put on the front. I've got to verify which one this thing needs. You see, I got that thin, cover on it where it just, just swell. You get water in there, it rusts and it swells up. Whoever invented those needs to be kicked in the crotch hard, multiple times. Okay, I saw that one of the axle seals was missing. Not sure if they want both of them changed. Probably since I got it apart. What we got here? Various clampage and pluggage and voltage. Don't you just love to figure out how things go together? Okay, yeah, that's probably from the rear strut is what that looks like. The bumper for the rear strut, I'm guessing, because it looks kind of used. Another bolt. Okay, I think we got everything there. What else is in here? Who knows? That is a transmission oil filter. That's what that is. Nothing was mentioned to me about that. Yep, that's what that is, because there's the seal for it. That wasn't mentioned to me. I don't know what they want done. Since it doesn't have a battery in it, I was told it had like 67,000 miles on it. And if that'd be the case, I don't think I would mess with it very much. But without the battery was spanked in this thing. It wouldn't come on, won't even take a charge. So I have no idea how many miles are on this thing, because the dashboard is all glass. What we got in here? Coils, ignition coils. 2, 3, 4, Yep, all 6. But I'll tell you, direct replacement for factory ignition coils, bull crap. I bet you, I mean, I'm guessing that a coil for this thing is probably at least $100, if not $1.50. And these are probably $50 for 6 of them. Yeah, yeah, solves causes common issues: mixed fires, erratic idle, hesitation, check engine light, and maybe not even run. I tell you, just yeah. I already talked to the gentleman that bought this. Yeah, designed in the U.S., made in China. Yeah, right. I don't know. I don't see a price on it, but I already talked to the gentleman that bought this car, and I told him, if it needs coils, I am not putting these coils in, OEM or nothing, because as soon as I put these in, the thing's going to run like crap, and I'm going to get blamed for it. So I learned. I've been spinning wrenches for over 40 years. I'm 64 years old, and I learned my lesson a long time ago. You use OEM or nothing, and if because I did that. I cut a corner trying to save a guy some money, and the thing ran like crap, just like I told him it would, and I got bad mouth. He told everybody I didn't know what I was doing. So never again. I'm not going to fall for that crap. You don't want to use the original equipment, take it somewhere else. I don't need the money that bad. Let's see what else we got hiding in here. Hiding some tools. What's this? I have no idea. We got some speaker wire. Of course, you got to have that. Oh wow, zoom. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Don't care. Well, obviously like more of the interior parts. Interior doesn't look too bad. I said, for 2007, and depends on how much money ends up getting invested in it. Might end up with a good deal. So it says for a young gentleman that's going to college, he'd already bought a car to go to college, and he wrecked it. So let's see what's nothing in here. Yeah, it actually does have coolant down in there. See? You see? I took the battery out of it and tested it, and it's garbage. And I did notice that the long bar that hooks this on there is missing. Or I just haven't come across it yet. And I was told that there's the tow company that brought it over here. They have 3 2007 Camrys on which we can get parts. So I'm going to keep that in mind. I might need that. Okay, well, just give me a quick hairy eyeball. Well, let's pick it up and see what we can find underneath. See how she looks under there. I love my lift. When I bought my lift 20 years ago, I ceremoniously threw my creeper in a dumpster because I don't crawl underneath them anymore. I gotta stand here and watch it go up. You can sit there and watch it go up. And you always put it down on the safety latches. Okay. My habit is I always start at the back and just take a look. See what we can see. The body doesn't look in too bad a shape. I'm in South Carolina, and this is probably a South Carolina car, so might have some whiskey dents in it, but I'm originally from northwestern Pennsylvania in the Rust Belt. I'm used to stuff, 10 years old, it's scrap. It's got a couple little whiskey scratches there. I'll get my hook out here. Yeah, I'd put the new back struts and obviously the sway bar links in. Huh, okay. I've got to clean that off. Another new strut. Just kind of give it the once over and see if you see anything. If you see anything, let me know. That's a pretty big mud dauber nest. That's impressive. The emergency brake does work because the rollback driver had it set, and it does release, so that's good. This body looks really good. I believe it was a low mileage car so far. Yeah, so watch the other video where I just put this all back together, just enough to get it over here. But all this is, and he couldn't get this passenger side axle out. So we're gonna see what's up with that. He has the, I think he's got, I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. Where the nuts on there, he kind of beat on it, it looks like. So we'll have to see what it's gonna take to get that out of there. Yeah, there's a little bit of oil on it, but not bad. What do you think? You see anything that you don't like? Other than parts missing? Well, I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it's ever been wrecked before. Okay. Well, looks like we got a little bit of work to do, but it shouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Just trying to get that, you know, he said he couldn't get that axle out of there. I'm not sure what's up with that. So I got a 50-ton press, says I can get it out if I need to. Just take it apart and put it in the press and zip zop, done. Okay, well, now we got it looks like the only thing that I can think of that I really have to get would be the little battery hold down, and it needs a new battery. So I'm going to verify, you know, what kind of lug nuts this you know actually has to have, so make sure it's got the right ones. And I only saw that one seal, and I'm not sure if both sides are the same. But you know, I guess if we're going to change one, made in Taiwan, yeah. Yeah. So, all right. Looks like we got, you know, a little bit of work to do, but it appears doable. And so this will be part 2 of the Camry rescue. And so tomorrow I will start on putting it all back together, and that'll be part number 3. So, you know the deal, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.